So, just been at the gym. As you can see, the weather is super sunny and it feels warm. Work is done, and yeah, just gonna relax a bit. The timing is way better now than or today than just yesterday. It's now yeah, just about 5 minutes after 6 p.m. So yeah, just one meal left, and yeah, I plan to sleep early today. Felt really tired this week. And yeah, that's it. I'm not using the selfie stick right now, so it takes a bit more energy to record this video. Tiny little bit, but yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and I did record some clips actually, just remember it now. About 2 days ago, right at this location here. Probably I will publish those as well. Seems to me that, yeah, when I publish the videos on the same day, it's actually way easier. Then I don't really lose track. Anyways, see you in the next video. Bye bye.